Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok application. So today we will show you how to post video comment replies on TikTok. So guys, how to reply a comment in the form of a video. Let's check it. So first and foremost, let's go to the TikTok app. And as you can see, we are on our profile page right now. So let's choose one of the video to find a comment. As an example, it will be this one. Let's go to the comment section, and there is our TikTok as an example. So how to answer on it, how to create an answer in the form of a video. Let's pick on the reply inscription below. And after, let's pick on the record red button here. Successfully, right now we can record new TikTok to reply a comment, but remember that this new created TikTok will be successfully saved to your main profile page. It will be your new TikTok. So if you want to do this, if you want to answer in this way, we can start, but remember that you can also have this sticker of the comment, and you can adjust it later after recording. So let's do it. After tapping on the red central button, I will create a new TikTok as an example. Need to wait a minute. Later, let's pick on the check mark to save this TikTok. And as I said, right now we can adjust this comment sticker after dragging it to change the location, and of course we can increase or decrease it in this way. So as an example, it will be here. Later, let's pick on the next button, and let's so you can also add some description like in this way, and let's pick on the post to post our answer. Wait a minute, please, to upload our new TikTok, and let's check it. I will refresh our profile page, and as I said, we have this newly created TikTok as a new special main TikTok on our profile page. So how it will look like on the comment section, let's check it. And as you can see here, we have our first comment, and later we replied on it, so our description will be a comment too, and we have our answer here. We can tap on the video one time to check it. Yes. So guys, if this tutorial was interesting and useful, don't forget about likes, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and TikTok. Bye bye!